Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you my natural recipe for removing dead skin and kind of like wake your skin up a little bit. So as you can see, my skin feels a little dry, it feels like dull. I do have some flakes around the parameters of my head. um my lips are dry, so I'm gonna show you a little bit what I do. um and it's all natural. You can find these ingredients in your in your kitchen. And
All right, so you're gonna need a coffee for this recipe. Any type of coffee. If you can get organic, that'll be great. You need some honey, you need some olive oil, and a tiny, tiny bit of water. That's all you need. So you're gonna pour 1 tablespoon in there. Just a little bit of honey. You can put a little bit more if you want to. Uh-oh. And a little bit of olive oil. Oop. And we mix it all together. If you want to add a little bit of water, you can. So this is the consistency you should have. Don't be too aggressive when you're applying it because it's coffee grains and it can be really aggressive to the skin if you apply too much pressure. So I just want you to lather it on your skin. Maybe go on a circular motion, but never apply too much pressure on it because otherwise you're gonna cause other skin problems that you didn't have before. So this is how you should look. It looks a little crazy, but I guarantee you, your skin will thank you. And I put a little bit on my lips too because my lips also were really dry um and they needed some help. So I'll be back and I'll show y'all my skin after.
there you go, guys. So I already feel so much better. My skin feels soft. You do want to go afterwards with a more moisturizer, any moisturizer of your choice, or you can use coconut oil just to calm your skin. And share this video with someone else that needs it. You know, your mom, your sister, I don't know, your cousins, your friends, your bestie, whoever. So, I'll see y'all later. Bye.